Hello friends, welcome to Amruta's Veg Kitchen. Today I will show you how to use IFB microwave on special demand of my viewers. Let's see how to use it. All in this automatic menu. Wet clock is most important part of this automatic menu. Let's see how to use wet clock. It depends on your food quantity. If you have more food quantity, press it again. Press it again and set your food quantity, food weight. First button is Desi Masala Mix. It will help you to roast all dry masala. So take a oven shaped glass plate and put all the ingredients in that and put that plate in the microwave. Then press Desi Masala button and set wet clock and then start. Now dry roast button. Use microwave shaped dish. Put the ingredients. Put dish in the microwave. Press dry roast. D1 for wheat flour. DR2 for besan. D3 for grated fresh coconut. Now push the wet clock and start button. Now third button, beverage and soup. It will help you to make tea, coffee and soup. So take a microwave shaped bowl, put in the microwave and push this button and set wet clock, then start button. Remember that thing, when you push this button, all in these functions, when you push the buttons, wet clock button is important. Without pushing wet clock button, it cannot start. Now fourth button, quick snacks button. It will help you to make upma, sheera, poha, etc. Bati also. So take microwave shaped bowl, put in the microwave, push this button and set wet clock, then start button. Now fifth button is grill counter button. It will help you to make non-veg food. Take a microwave shaped bowl, put in the microwave and push this button and set wet clock. See, wet clock is depend on your food quantity and make start button. Let's see our sixth button, Chinese menu. It is for Chinese food. Now turn to Chinese menu button. First, put the your bowl in the microwave, then press Chinese menu button and then set the wet clock as your weight of the food, then start button. Now turn to Combi Cook button. Put the bowl in the microwave, push the Combi Cook button and set wet clock as your quantity of ingredients, then push the start button. This button is used for apple pie, boiled vegetables, etc. Now turn to taste enhancer button. It will help you to make jam, pickle and chutney. Put the bowl in the microwave, press taste enhancer button, set the wet clock as your quantity of the food and then start button. Now turn to flavors of rice button. It will help you to make different types of rice like plain rice, Rajasthani pulao, rice with peas, etc. So put the bowl of rice in the microwave, press flavors of rice button, then set the wet clock as the quantity of your food, then start button. Now we will see the cake button. Put the cake tin in the oven, then press cake button, then set the wet clock, then start. And there are different flavors of cake, so it depends on the flavors. If you want chocolate cake, press it once. Then if you want coffee cake, press is twice. Now turn to plus pulse pre-cook button. It will help you to boil dal, peas, etc. So put the bowl in the microwave, press this button, set the wet clock as your ingredients, wait, then start button. Now we will see the bake counter button. It will help you to make cookies, cupcakes, bread, pizza base, etc. So put the ingredients in the microwave, push the bake counter button, set the wait clock as your weight of ingredients, then start button. Now turn to steam cook button. It will help you to steam the sprouts, dhokla, idli, etc. So put your ingredients in the microwave, press steam cook button, set the wait clock as your food quantity, then press start button. Now turn to crisps, snacks, stuffed veg button. It will help you to make peanut, cashew nut, popcorn, etc. So put the ingredients in the microwave, push this button, set the wet clock as your weight of ingredients, then start button. Now health corner button. It will help you to make khichdi, halwa or all the healthy ingredients. So put the ingredients in the microwave, push health corner button, set the wet clock as your food quantity and start button. Now turn to cooking tips beauty secret button. It will help you to garlic peel, blanching almonds, blanching tomatoes, etc. Put the ingredients in the microwave, push this button, set the wet clock as your weight of ingredient, then start button. Now we will see the other function in my next video.